Hi everyone, today we are just going to unbox this portable charger with the camera. It looks like a charger but it comes with the camera inside. So USB universal charger, they didn't mention on the box anywhere about the camera. So let's just unbox the device. This is the unit manual, which is very important. And this is the USB to USB cable, so if you want to transfer the data of the camera inside your PC, you can. This camera already comes with the US plug, and it's mentioned here 8GB, so it's already comes with the 8GB memory inside. USB port, so you can use this as a normal charger. Nobody noticed that you are recording someone. This is a camera which is full HD, 12 megapixel. And there is a LED indicator according to the manual. As you guys can see in the manual, microphone, USB interface, camera and LED indicator. And these are the most important specs. The format will be AVI and the resolution will be 1920 to 1080p. As I told you, it comes with a full HD function, operating system compatible with any software. You can simply connect this device with your PC through this cable, USB to USB, and you can transfer your data. So let's just do the experiment on this camera. So as you guys can see, we just connect the camera with the extension. It looks like a normal charger, no indication, so you can record. We just connect the camera using the USB cable with the PC. So once you will connect the camera, you can see the folder inside your PC. So this is the folder. Once you open the folder, you will see the video folder in this. Open that one. So as you can see, there is a 5 to 6 videos are available. So this is the normal result of the camera once you connect with the power socket. You can see it's quite clear. You can see the clarity of the camera. If you connect with the socket, it can easily record and nobody's noticing that you are recording something. If you guys like this video, please don't forget to share, and if you have any kind of questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.